Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to part 5 of the builds for the Dornier Do17. I just want to apologise for the lack of videos that I've over the last couple of weeks, because of as you know, I've suffered from a bit of a cold and I was so bunged up I didn't feel like doing anything. So hopefully we can get back on track as well. So today, so the first thing I'm going to do is to get all this masking tape off, because I want to get all the model prepared for getting the engines on and so forth and so on. Okay, so I'll just switch over to the hyperlapse and we'll get this masking tape off. All right. Okay guys, well, the masking tape is off and we're going to put the these parts on. Okay, now I've primed and painted these, okay, so they're all ready to go on. So what we'll do, so that goes on like so. So we'll put some glue on. We'll use our trusty Deluxe Materials Plastic Magic. And it doesn't really matter which way it goes on. Because they both go on the same way. So there we go. They are now on. All right. Okay guys, well, I've got the parts that I want now for priming and painting one of the engines. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to stick these on. I'll just put that there for a minute, because what we are going to do is we're going to I'm going to go and get my piece of cardboard, courtesy of Pizza Hut, in a minute. And so what we're going to do is what I'll do is I'm going to take these outside. I'll get them all primed and painted. This middle part of the engine here needs to be painted in black, so I'll be doing that soon. yeah, no, in fact I'll be doing it while I'm painting these two parts here. Okay, so I'll be back in a bit, and what I'll do, I'll repeat the process for the other engine as well. So so I'll get this all put together. I'll prime and paint it. I'll prime and paint these, and then we'll, then once they're all dry, we'll stick it on the aircraft, and then what we'll do is I'll go and repeat the process for the other engine. Okay, so I'll be back soon. Okay guys, well I've got all the parts painted, okay, but I've had a bit of a dilemma because I think that pit goes on there, dry fit, there we go, and then this pit goes on the front. So what we'll do, we'll get all just get it all on. Let's try. I actually wonder if I got it the right way now. There we go. There we go. Now let's see if we can try and get this bit on, because it's got to go a certain way. And I've had a piece already break off, so got to be a bit careful. So I think that's the bit that goes. There. So I think that's all on. Okay. So the trick is now to try and get this in. I've always had a bit of a problem with radial engines. Okay, so let's. There we go. I think we're there. I think we're pretty much there. I think so. Get some whack some glue on. Right, there we go. And I'm just having a look at the instructions to see whether I've actually got step 36 right. I mean, it looks as if I've got it pretty much there. Okay, there we go. Yeah. All right. So I'll be back in a bit, guys, and we'll get the other. So we'll get the other engine on, shall we? So I'll be back in a bit. Well, after so much frustration and getting, especially this engine on, I've managed to try and get it all in. Okay, I managed to try and get it all on there. It's stuck, but that was after much frustration, I have to say. But anyway, we've got it in, so we'll put it to one side, and now we can start to think about getting the cowlings on. So we want parts. Basically, we want all 4 bits. So okay, so let's get them on. I'm just looking for the frames that they. I'm looking for the frames that. There we go. Sorry, I just got a bit frustrated with that bleeding engine. So there we go. Oh, we want the 2 circular bits as well. So there we go. The fairings. I think that's what they're called. I think what I'll do, the next time I do a radial engine, I'll just get the whole bloody thing stuck together and just paint it afterwards. Right. Right, we've got to figure out how they go together now. So right, the way that I see it goes, if I get, it goes like, so the way that I see it, it goes over there like so. So it goes over there like so. Right, that's that bit there. So let's see. Right. Now, the way that I see it, it goes. It goes there like so. Right. Let's get some glue on there, shall we? Right, there we go. That's one piece on. Now, the trouble is trying to get the other piece on. There we go. There we go. That's one done. Right, this has been a real mucky episode, I have to say, in more ways than one. Right, there we go. Now, that should have dried by now, so let's try and get this. There we go. All right, that's Oh, now it seems to be coming apart. Now it seems to want to come apart. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll get some I'll tell you what, I'll be back, guys. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, but I've been absolutely frustrated by getting those engines on, but they're in, and especially with this engine here, I suddenly realised that there's a little part there. I hope you can see it, where my finger is, and I actually stuck it in. It did actually stick, but it was in the wrong place. So I think that's what caused the engine to be a bit of a pain to get in, but I've managed to get it all in, but I don't know what it is with me and radial engines. I really don't. But like I say, I've managed to get it all up. I managed to get it all on. Okay, I managed to get the engines on. Anyway, right, next part 6. Wednesday's video will be all about getting the rear flaps on and the rudders. Okay, so that will be part. So that'll be part 6. So in the meantime, guys, if you like this video, thanks a lot for watching. Give it a thumbs up, why don't you? And comment and share, and also subscribe, because it also helps to grow the channel. I'm up to 425 now, so I just need another 75 subscribers to get me to 500, and then then I'm about 2/3 of the way to applying for the YouTube partner program. Okay, and well, basically 2/3 of the way of actually of getting permission to start things like memberships and so on. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.